a strong dude, yo. I know dude, you know what I'm saying? He real strong, so when it was like your style was more like, again, you know what I'm saying? He always take shot, one shot at, he gonna pull through this with a few records about it. I grew up, got introduced to the game, got an ounce of fucking grew up, chopping rocks overnight. The nigga Biggie Small trying to turn into the black Frank White. I grew up, got introduced to the game, got an ounce of fucking grew up, chopping rocks overnight. The nigga Biggie Small trying to turn into the black Frank White. We had to go back to change how to switch it. Two cops is on the milk box missing. Show they toes, you know they got stepped on. A fist full of bullets, a chest full of Teflon. Run from the police, picture that. Nigga, I'm too fat. I fuck around and catch the asthma attack. That's why I push back. It don't faze me. When he drop, check his Glock and I'm crazy. Celebrate my escape, so the Glock wasn't waiting. Like I got some money to be. I'm trying to know which step on nobody. You know, they don't come and memories of high speed when the cops crash. As I laugh, pushing the gas when my Glock's blast. We was young and we was dumb, but we had hope. In the dark, but we survived through the bad parts. Many dreams is what I had. And big wishes, so hesitation and extermination of these snitches. And these bitches, they continue to pursue. A couple of movies had a whole lot of shots for me. Even the cops tried to sue me. So what can I do but say truth? Sit between twos and proving that media trying to test me. Got the press asking questions, trying to stress me. Misery is all I see. That's what I say. My history with the police, I shake the car ring. My main man had 2 strikes, slipped out. Arrested and 50 screamed up like an empty. Lady out coming out, you are fucking talented, you know? But you don't know who shot me, you're fucking those ass niggas from your neighborhood, and I gotta find out by myself, and I'm gonna call myself a consummate capo. From the west side, I'm on the east side of the jail, I know who touched me, I know everything that happened. That power. And he didn't know, so he was fake.